What is up, YouTube? This your boy Investor Pat back at again with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and follow button. And let's get paid. You guys saw the title. Make a quick $115 using my Investor Pat cash bundle. You can also make passive income using these apps. So the first app is called Mode. So with Mode app, you want to download the Mode app from Google Play or the Apple Play Store, and they give you a list of instructions. Once you download the Mode app, go to promotions, go to offers, and you're gonna see the stash promotion. Basically, with the stash promotion, they have where you can earn up to $115 through their app. So yeah, once you do the steps, it'll be shown in the video on the next screen. I will leave the links down below in the description on these two apps, so you guys can get a $5 bonus from Mode once you sign up, and $50 from Stash once you deposit at least $5 or more. These are the steps. Download the Mode app, sign up bonus $5, go to offers, click the Stash promotion, and reminder, Stash will pay you $50 when you deposit $5 or more. So so that leaves you a grand total of $155. So yeah, so with the Stash app, they also have every week you can earn free stocks. So it's like a free stock. You get a slice of a free stock of Apple, Lowe's, any stock they have, you get it. So basically, you're gonna earn a lot of passive income with these apps. So yeah, make a quick $155 in your pocket like that. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, like button, subscribe button, and get paid. And thanks for watching.